If you are a fan of amusement parks and, more importantly, thrill rides, then brace yourself. A new Canadian coaster that's being built is promising to bust all records. Canada's Wonderland unveiled the site today for its new Yukon Striker coaster. The park is billing it as the longest, fastest, and tallest dive coaster in the world, and it sounds absolutely terrifying.
It's floorless. You got your feet hanging down, only track beneath you, and it's stadium-style seating. So we've got 3 rows of 8. Each row is going to be a little higher than the next, so everyone's going to have a perfect view of that 90-degree drop. You're going to be going straight down into that underwater tunnel and zooming up here at 130 kilometers an hour. It's going to be wild.
The ride will be part of the park's Frontier Canada section, which will depict the Yukon backcountry during the Klondike Gold Rush era. It's expected to open in April next year.